Hello, my friends. It has been another crazy busy month. Am I right? Well, now is a chance for you to sit back, relax, and see everything that we released this month because I'm a little worried you might have missed one or two items. Here we go. We started the month off with our awesome, yummy hamburger Fold It. So if you're in the Fold It Club, whoo, you got it, rest assured. If you're not in the Fold It Club, you missed it, don't even look at it because you can't get it. So if you missed it and you did not get it, join our Fold It Club now because once it's gone forever. Just saying. And look at how cute this banner is with that hamburger on it. Yummy. Now, we started our Stamp and Die Hard Club with the fun summer hats. Aren't they sweet? Sweet summer hats. I absolutely love them. Then one of the add-on collections was this gorgeous fun fence, which is so much fun. Then we also had that awesome background, the BC background. I absolutely love that. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And then look at that. There is that fence again. I absolutely love that little fence. It just screams Eastern seashore to me. Seriously. Here's another one. The add-on set had that fun hat for the guys. Love it. Then we came out with the Shell Edge A2 card. I love that card. So much fun. We also came out with a new piece it die, which is so fun. It's that rounded, but look at this. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love that. It's just so fun and so different. I love it. And you could also do it horizontally as well. Then we also came out with our 5x7 never-ending card. Always does so much fun. Look at that. You just keep going and going and going. It's like the Energizer Bunny. I love it. I love it. Then we came out with our palm tree background. Isn't that beautiful? I love that palm tree background. We also came out with this fun little box, perfect for fold-its, but every day. Look at how cute that is. I love it. It's so cute. We also came out with our summer Slimline. Perfect to make fun little, look at this. Perfect to make fun little signs like this. So cute. We also came out with our Thanks So Much background die with all those little dots that pop out. And our doggy lollipop holder. So cute. And I cannot believe we finally, that we didn't have this one on the website a long time ago. The reverse corner squares, nested squares. And we finally re-released our A1 mini circle die, flip it, and the A1 A1 cupcake fold it, and for a limited time, the Wave Stencil. Now, we release brand new items a lot on our website, so make sure you're getting our email newsletter. You don't want to miss out on anything we ever do. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and also the little bell. That will notify you whenever we go live or we release a new video. Thank you so much for an amazing month, my friends. We're going to have even a more amazing month and more summer fun coming up. So stay tuned. Keep your socks on because we're going to knock them off in just a second. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.